Welcome to my channel. BrosTrend AC1200 Wi-Fi Range Extender Setup Steps. Web Browser Method. Step 1. Plug in your extender. Plug the BrosTrend AC1200 into a wall socket near your router for the initial setup. Wait until the power LED turns solid. Step 2. Connect to the extender's network. On your phone, laptop, or PC, go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the default network name, BrosTrend_Ext, or similar. Check your manual. Step 3. Open the setup page. Open any web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari. In the address bar, type http://re.brostrend.com. Step 4. Log in. Default username, admin. Default password, admin, or leave blank if mentioned in the manual. Click Login. Step 5. Choose your main Wi-Fi network. The extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your home router's Wi-Fi name, SSID. Enter your router's Wi-Fi password. Step 6. Configure extended network. You can keep the same Wi-Fi name or create a different one, example, home Wi-Fi_Ext. Click Apply, Finish. Step 7. Reconnect to the extended network. Once setup is complete, disconnect from BrosTrend_Ext and connect to your new extended Wi-Fi network. Step 8. Relocate the extender. Move the extender to a location midway between your router and the Wi-Fi dead zone. Ensure the signal LED is green or blue for optimal performance. For instant help call 1-800-915-5645.